All right, class. Happy Friday. And just so you know, I am here for you. So, today you are working solely on finding slope. Now, if we know slope, there are two formulas to find it. You can look over there on the side wall. But today, the first worksheet you're working on, you have to do all the problems that deal with the graphing. Now, with this graphing exercise, if we ever want to deal with our slope, when we find our slope, n equals our rise over our run. So we must first find our rise and our run. Now, just a little helpful hint for you guys. When you do this, you want to start at your left point and go to your right point. The reason why, it will always move you in a positive direction with your run, so that way you only have to look at the negatives of your rise. So let's go ahead and get to look at our point. We start at my leftmost point, and I notice from here to here, I must go up. And how much did I go up? I went up 1. So if I were to ask you what the rise was in this case, your rise is 1. From there, we have to look at our next situation, which is our run, which is how far we've moved left or right. So we're moving from our left point to our right point, and I've moved it twice, so my run is 2. And remember, we just have to take my rise, put it over my run. So I know my slope, which is m, remember it's always m, is 1 over 2. And you are done. Now, I just want to also give a little helpful reminders for you guys. If you ever see a slope looking like this, you should know that it is what? I hope you guys all scream negative, right? Next one, a horizontal line. If you ever deal with a horizontal line, our slope is 0. And if you ever deal with a vertical line, oh nice, our new smartboard doesn't want to work either. It is undefined. Great, we'll figure this out eventually. So that's our first time. If we ever have to deal with a point, we have to use our rise over our run. Okay, moving on, our next slide. They give you 2 points. Now, if we were to give you guys 2 points,